Hey guys, this is Ruhi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is crispy namak pare with wheat flour. And this snack can be stored in an airtight container for more than 20 days. Let's quickly get into the recipe. Take 1 cup of wheat flour and sieve this. Add salt as per your taste. Add half tablespoon ajwain, that is vamu, and add 5 tablespoons of melted ghee. Mix well. Now add water to make soft dough. Knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes. And I have divided this dough into 2 portions. Close the lid and rest this for 10 minutes. Sprinkle some flour and roll this dough into a big size chapati. Now cut this into thin stripes. Now again cut this in a slanting direction. Now with the help of a scraper or with hand, separate all this namak pare. Now sprinkle some flour on a plate and add all this namak pare. Now fry this in hot oil. Fry this in a medium flame until they turn golden brown in color. Now you can see here this namak pare turned into golden brown in color. Now this is time to switch off the flame and take it out from the oil. Now repeat the same process with the remaining dough. Crispy namak pare is ready to serve. Let's dish out in a plate. To this, sprinkle some salt and chilli powder as per your taste. Mix well. Crispy namak pare is ready to have. You can store this in an airtight container for 1 month. Give this recipe a good try and post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.